Limits. Let's have a look. Now, limits like that are not very kind of often. They do happen in your Leaving Cert, and they look more complex than they actually are. Okay. So here we have to find the value of q towards infinity, which is given by. And then we are given that value of t, so this number here, and this number here, and this number here, they go towards eternity. What does that mean? That means that they can become very, 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 very big number. So how do we give it a limit since we don't know the value of it? Actually, it is simple enough. We need to observe the tendency to which that will be going to, that value of that fraction. And how do we do that? Well, let's just replace t with 1. So if I replace t with 1 and I put that in my calculator and press equal, what do I get? I get 1,000. I'm saying, okay, right. Sorry, not 1,000, my bad. We actually get 1. I'm saying, okay, maybe it's going towards 1. Then we are saying, okay, let's increase that to 1,000. So we replace t in our calculator. It's not like we are doing in our head, so it's fine enough. We take calculator, we replace t with 1,000. And again, we put that, we press equal and we get 0.25. So we are saying, okay, well, the tendencies are towards some form of a decimal or maybe 0. So we have to go again. So this time, let's put 100,000. So we replace t and we put 100,000 instead of t. And again, like I'm saying, not like we are doing it in our head, in calculator, and equal, and we get 0.250005. Now, if we have any doubt, we can go again a little bit more and again a little bit more. We will notice that actually the tendency, that 5 will shift more and more backwards, and actually my number will be 0.25. But that's what I'm saying. For any limits, that's what you can do. You need to notice what is the tendency. Now, don't forget that if it was a number, because the value you could be getting would be a number, that will be getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and therefore you will evaluate that the final value of it will be very big number, meaning plus infinity, or if it is a very small number, minus infinity, but otherwise it could go towards 1, towards 0, towards minus 1, or like in this case 0.25. But that's what I'm saying. You put in, just use your calculator slide, put in bigger numbers, and you will notice the tendency that number will be going toward.